Hey y'all, we got a package from Rihanna and Fenty. Let's unbox it, y'all. All right, as you guys can see by the title, we got the new Rihanna and Fenty Puma Phatty. Okay, basically the Creeper 2. We're gonna get into that one next, but first, let's get into this Puma Palermo that I got. I told y'all I was gonna get that gray colorway, so let me show y'all that real quick, and then we're gonna get to the real thing. All right, standard Puma box. We always see this. This is the Puma Palermo in Vapor Gray, Gum, and Puma White. As y'all seen in my last video, I showed you guys the pink pair, and now I want to show you guys, you know, a more subtle colorway. Here it is. Now, if you don't want to do, you know, the Adidas Samba that everybody's been wearing, you could definitely do this one. I feel like it's still the same color scheme, shape-wise, same type of style and aesthetic. I really like this colorway, so this one's clean. You'll definitely see me in this, probably more than you would see me in that pink pair. Even though the pink is hard, I just feel like it is smart to have a shoe in your collection that you can wear with multiple things. And this colorway will serve that purpose. As always, these are a women's size 7. I will have them listed below in the description box like I always do. And yeah, fire. All right, let's get to the real reason why y'all here. When Rihanna say this is what you came for, y'all can't even see me. Look at this. And come on, sustainability. Like, we love that. We love that y'all, you know, being eco-friendly. Take care of the earth, okay? All right, here you have it. So similar to the packaging that we seen on the Avanti sneaker, is the same black box, sleek with the Fenty embossed, Puma on the side. And then let's go ahead and get deeper into the packaging itself. So like the last pair of sneakers, it comes with this velvet dust bag that says Fenty, and it has the Puma logo. This is basically stitched in, which is super nice. So if you're traveling, this is good. This is real good. The Fenty Puma Creeper, it comes with an additional set of laces. They are white, thick laces. So let's see if this will be an option if we want to swap it out, you know? All right, look at this, y'all. So let's get the official colorway of this shoe. Okay, so the official colorway is Lavender Alert, Burnt Red, and Gum. And you know what's so crazy? It's like Rihanna basically has her own line of sneakers from Puma. Like, she can go back in the vault and pull out a shoe and recreate it. Like, isn't that crazy? Like, I think her Puma deal probably ended in 2015, and now she's back and she's bringing back some fan favorites, starting with this Puma Creeper. Everybody had it everywhere. I didn't have a pair, but now I finally got one. So, you know, I'm finally in the mix with y'all. Basically, the upper is all suede with this chunky gum bottom. The laces have like this little gold lace tip on them, which I think looks super cool. It's also a white lace tip on that shoe as well. But yeah, and they're a little heavy. They're a little heavy, y'all. So like, if you think you're gonna be stomping around town and just not feeling the shoes on your feet, you're definitely gonna feel them. The Puma embossed on the tongue, super thick tongue. The insole feels like leather. It says Fenty Puma. Of course, we're gonna have some close-ups and stuff in here. But yeah, it's a solid shoe. Now, it's gonna come out, I think it's 2 additional colorways. Let's pull those up too. Other colorway is gonna be Speed Blue, Lime Pow, and Gum. And then we're also gonna have Puma Black, Warm, and White Gum. And I'm gonna insert pictures of all of these. They're gonna cost you $140. But that's a typical pricing for any shoe around this time. But they describe it as the Fenty and Puma Creeper Phatty is wrapped in suede with the padded and debossed form strip. Very simple, straight to the point. So you guys let me know, are you guys feeling the new Creeper? Are you guys excited? Or is it something y'all think they should have just kept in the vault? Like, we can move past this. But I think this is like a signature sneaker in Rihanna's lineup of her work with Puma. So I think it only made sense that they brought this back. Again, sound off in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. Are y'all gonna cop or drop? Y'all let me know. See y'all in the next one.